What's up, you guys? We out here at S&M 5M. We about to do another bike build, and this time it's gonna be for Miss Drea.
Yes, sir.
That's it. All right, guys.
Out here.
We're gonna do it. Let's get it done.
As always, we got the S&M. This one right here is the ATF.
And of course we do. Oh, give me the tail. Let's do it a little different this time.
We got the Pitchfork S&M.
Give me that blue tail. So I can see. Focus.
The Louis Vuitton seat. Sweet.
Same thing. Some high quality grease, baby. Don't forget to grease your stuff.
High quality grease so you don't get stuck.
Take those bearings. Get that grease.
On the top and the bottom?
Yeah.
You won't need all of these. I know. You just put that in the Corona bucket.
Grease her up, guys.
I think this should change. I think that was a different change.
How does it feel to finally be building your bike?
It was good. It's been forever. No, it's been sitting there for 5 months. Pretty much. No. About four.
Hard work pays off, guys.
Patience.
She started on a fixie, and now look at her. And she freaking loves it, you guys. She loves it so much, she had to get her own BMX.
That's right.
Because she's been riding BMX already. But now she's just getting her own BMX.
It's nice.
Her first baby.
Oh, it's just dirty.
Her first baby. Ooh, look, I see you. I see hamstringer. Oh, wow.
You see, that's yours. It's this one's yours. No. No, it's that one that we bought yesterday. No. Oops.
What is it?
I'm good.
Fucking days. Okay.
Give us a messed up.
I'm gonna have to edit that. What we got over here?
You like it? Yeah.
Bearings. Greasing them up.
Merry Christmas. Feliz Navidad.
Nice.
Happy New Year. This is everything.
Well, as you guys can see, this bike right here is gonna be pretty much black on red theme
Except for the bars.
with the raw bars, so it can stand
And let's
out.
see if we can
Rock and roll.
let's see if we can get it with this.
Lot of grace.
Let's do one.
You want the melody?
Oh yeah, the little
That black
thing.
piece?
You don't want to forget to put this in.
No, definitely don't.
This nice little tool I have made, you guys. Pretty awesome. It helps out a lot.
If you're ever having problems with it, and because this frame is tight,
Because it's brand new.
Brand new. just
Don't up it. Yeah, and then you see you just tighten it and then it pushes it in together. And it goes into one direction and it goes up straight. Because if you try
give
to
me the
just
two
hammer it,
crescents.
it's like-
Two
Those,
crescents?
If you try to just hammer
the
it,
crescents.
This is where the real magic happens.
Ever since we got that, it's been way easier to put in the
And there it is, guys.
And that's how you, that's the easiest way to put a bottom bracket in.
Easiest way to put in a bottom bracket on. Unless you have a tool, of course, like besides
yeah,
this
one that's
tool.
made. But this one right here cost me $1 or $2.50 at Home Depot.
Sweet, let's see it.
We used to buy those little parts.
Yeah, this was like $2.50 maybe. I'm probably been. You don't even need 4 washers if you want, but it's better with 4.
That's right.
Yeah.
That little tool right there.
Make that. Saved us
To
a lot
put
of
your
time.
bike together. And you only spend.
It's pretty windy.
We got Trin the motherfucker. We got me. What's up, guys? I'm the video person.
Photographer.
Yeah, videographer.
Did you put that stuff in the
She
bottom?
like fart on me.
I did.
She's all wrapped. Damn.
Oh look, where's the friend of the sticker?
Just a little bit.
She
Dang, it's already almost done.
looking fresh.
It's because there's big parts, so whenever they get it looks like.
What are you putting on next?
Headset.
Oh, the headset.
And you gotta grease it.
You gotta grease everything.
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 That should be one of the rules in BMXing. Grease everything. Or building your bike
It's gonna be
in
smooth.
general.
Well, it's not even that. It's about
It's gonna get hot.
when you don't grease it and you go to take it apart,
It gets stuck together.
everything's stuck together and
Yeah,
it's not
because
easy.
it's so hot. Yeah. Everything like welds together.
Yep.
Exactly, that's what it does. Cost $1 to touch.
Okay.
Ooh. Sit by cool.
A little higher.
Higher?
Yeah.
Where's the
Right there should be hot. You should see my bike now. It looks way better. Yeah. It's so dirty. Probably dirty.
Jordan's bike looks so fresh. Oh yeah. S&M stem.
It looks nice already. Hasn't even came together.
That looks like
It's
my
fine on the
skin.
other side where the lamppost was, but it's coming out.
Oh,
Look, feel how hot it is. I know it's hot.
so fresh and so clean, clean.
Be careful because the sharks.
Do I have
in the middle.
Ah!
let me see.
There's fire alert.
Excuse me.
You, how do you put on the grip?
do it all at Ham's Spice Shop.
She's trying to like move it. Careful, the whole shard sticking out.
Look at one of the couch.
I got one.
Oh, you got one?
Oh no, I don't grab it. I thought I had. Oh, here, that works. Alright, go check. It's done. Finished product. Now she's gonna just pedal it, see if she likes it. Pick it up and drop it first. Let's see if it makes any noise.